A very good morning, Zimbabwe. Mamukasei, Mamukasei, Mamukasei. So this morning we want to talk about important matters. Remember that Zimbabwe is heading towards elections, and we really need to articulate the position, the strategy, and the ways in which Citizens Coalition for Change expect to win these elections. So I'm going to do it quickly. Um, Fungai Chiposi here articulated a position which is clear, and he said that under President Chamisa, modernization will be the most exciting branch of his policies. He talks about the health. He talks about transport. He talks about energy. He talks about housing, and all these things will be modernized. And the governance systems will put people at the center. Kumberi, pakati, vanhu. So such that everything, it emanates from the citizens going outwards. And that will be the nucleus of Advocate Nelson Chamisa's development. And for us to radically have that kind of modernization, it means the ideas will be originating from the citizens themselves, from the people themselves. And that's going to give us that kind of Zimbabwe we all wish to see, that kind of Zimbabwe we all demand, that kind of Zimbabwe we all want. So when we are saying let us vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa, we are saying let us vote for infrastructure, let us vote for education, let us vote for transformation, let us vote for new ideas, let us vote for a Zimbabwe where an idea is going to be promoted more than popularity. Let us vote for a government which is going to prioritize service delivery to the people using modern ways. So this government is clear, this government is there, it has involved everybody. It has managed to give a chance to people who felt that they were neglected in the past because of political issues. That is the reason why people were allowed to come and become part of this process. So, Team Zimbabwe, I don't want to waste much of your time, but the clear policy is there. President Nelson Chamisa is dealing with modernization, and let us support him and make sure that he brings that. And we need to give him power to state house.